And as you can see, this is not the 21 Tesla Model 3 long range. Nope, that's gone. Sold it for 8 grand more than I bought it for, so great deal. It was like a stock, made out on it. And picked up this 21 Tesla Model Y Performance. So just wanted to let you guys know what I've done with it, and what we've added to it, what we've taken away, so on and so forth. So, as you can see, Stealth XPEL Stealth Wrap has been added, and we have new badges on it, all matte black badges. Gotten rid of the 21 Uber turbines. These are 20-inch INOVITs, I believe they're called, or how you say it, and they look amazing on it with the red calipers. Also got rid of the other badges, and we're working with the Tesla matte letters spelt out, and the dual motor with the red underline because it is performance. So it is a MSM, or midnight silver metallic color, with just a clear XPEL stealth wrap on it. So it takes the flakes, the fleck, I don't know what you want to call it, underneath it. You can definitely see it in the sun. It looks amazing. So done a couple things inside, nothing ridiculous, but just to let you know, we added some of these pillows from eBay. The color does not match that well. They're a little cream in comparison to the seats, but they work, they look alright. We'll keep them. Added some Max Piter 3D floor mats. I actually had them in a prior vehicle, loved them. We also did add, probably can't see it because a little bit, it is daytime. These are the illuminated door sills, and they are a little higher than the originals, but let's see if we can get them to work in the sun. They do go off after a minute or two, so you really can't see. The little bit you can see, but hey, they work well. We also added blue lights underneath the footwells here and in the rear. I'll link below for those and show you right now in a window. Boom, you see them over there, they look great. So, any case, we also matte wrap that holds my center console from getting scratched, as well as it holds this beautiful Dunkin' iced tea. Magical liquid this is. Everybody runs on Dunkin' iced tea and coffee, whatever. All right, so here for the main event, what everybody's waiting for. Special stuff right here. Now this car is a loud speaker system, and everybody looks and goes, why is that? Well, that's why. There is a 10-inch JL Audio subwoofer in a downward firing box that was specially made for this trunk. It works. It looks great. It's amazing. I'll show you guys where the amp is. It's underneath here with all the Tesla crap. And I gotta say, I love it. No loss of range. Works beautifully. It's hidden. Looks nice. That'll drive me nuts not being straight. There we go. So, quick little video. Just wanted to show everybody what we've been doing and how we've upgraded and gone from that smaller Tesla Model 3 long range to something I believe I'm gonna own for a little while now. I don't think I'm gonna get rid of this one. I've been through 3 Teslas now. Well, 2, and this is my 3rd. I do have a Model X on order or reservation. I don't know. I'm gonna keep this one, I think. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see more content, also give a like and subscribe. And stay tuned for more things coming. Have a good one.